The biggest? Okay, the smallest.
Die Bleche, die haben mich auch gehalten. Und
The
She baked cookies. Ooh, let me see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Those cookies are very looking inviting, Heavenly.
Yeah.
They look so beautiful.
Pizza.
Your pizza is too big.
No.
Where is Wiper?
Those.
I think I've taken it away. Let me...
Mommy, those.
Yeah, Ada, go to the bathroom, take a paper and clean your nose, okay?
så var han sådan nicht mehr. Den ersten Zeit hat es ja funktioniert.
I want to make fruits. Fruit puree for him. So we have avocado, apple, pear, and kiwi.
Viel wird das nicht helfen. Hey, du kleiner Saurier. Du kannst ja nicht im Zentrum nicht.
Weiter, weiter, weiter. Das
Ich habe die festhalten kann das Plätzchen nicht machen.
Ja, fahren können wird.
Let him swallow before you give the food. Did you guys see anything in his mouth? He's already opening his mouth even when I'm removing the spoon for a new one.
This fine butter.
Was ist das, Fluffy?
Mm-hmm.
Dano.
Mm.
Mommy, dinosaur.
Good that you love it. Good boy.
Lea?
Ooh, Mario Penny. Here is
I know it have to do with that.
wow. Mommy, feet. Pizza.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Liam is a camera boy. the way he's giving you guys his eyes on the camera, like like saying, "Hey aunties, look at me. Uncles, can you see me? Oh my aunties, can you see me?"
Mommy, pizza. You.
Mm.
Musst du es auf den Tisch machen? Kannst du nicht auf der Unterlage machen?
Jut.
Ja. Ja, sorry. Bin müde.
Look at how my 8 months old is eating. Now you eat so good, Liam. And I'm so proud. I'm so proud that you did turn out to be like your brother. Like your sister. Most especially Heavenly.
Lea.
Oh my. Where are you going? Where do you want to go?
To mommy.
It's like the food is finished, mommy. So quick. The finish is finished so quick.
Stop. Stop whining.
Boo, boo, boo.
Just let him get up.
Auntie.
Mm.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Baby.
That's enough. So you'll be able to eat dinner. It's enough. Enough. What was I expecting? That you will not grab it.
Wet it.
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Abby, stay here. Mommy, thunder. Go.
Who want to make pizza, guys?
Yeah, pizza.
So one big pizza, not make one big pizza, the one we bought already. And I have to quickly wash them.
And today we have buy too much.
I have to quickly wash those things so that we can bake them up in the oven. It's dinner time. So we're going to be using 2 ovens. This is the reason why I like this place. There's a lot of space. Plus 2 kitchen plus 2 ovens.
Yeah, that's why you like it.
Freedom. Unlike my very small kitchen.
Yes, only one oven. Aria, that's my phone. Ja. How much baby food is here?
Hmm?
How much baby food is here?
Yama was buying baby food.
Oma. Okay. I didn't know that. Baby food for Liam.
Yeah, find some for Liam. Which I also even picked. And now that I pick, anyway, I pick in case of emergency because you can see me already. I'm already making something to eat since we arrived. So the thing is, we might not even use all those ones that we bought. But I like to have them in case of emergency because this place is kind of like, you need like 30 minutes. Is it 30 or 25? I don't remember. You need like 30 minutes to go to the next shop. So it's not like where I live whereby you can just go and
Just to the Dovlan and bye.
and buy something wherever you want. It's not like that. It's good. Plus, I'm here to relax.
Yes. Relax.
You guys can pretty see them relax already. I'm here to relax though. 1 week relaxing, no cooking.
Because Oma is.
Here. Your grandmother is here. No cooking. All relaxing for me.
Bye.
Bye.